My name is Brian Hooper. I work for MSI Mechanical. The ServiceTrade has really helped us with the customer experience. We're just starting to use the customer portal so they can start logging on to their account and start seeing the work that our technicians have done. That way they can see the history of what they've done and really kind of prove to the point of what they're paying for. We're really important in making sure that all of our customers are partners. So this is a big way that we make that full circle. Our technicians love it because we've become way more efficient. Our customers love it because they get instantaneous answers on what we're working on, what's going on with their equipment. They can get pictures, they can get videos. They're very satisfied. Instead of getting an email 4 weeks after we showed up, the work orders are instantaneous. We get them every hour because our guys fill them out as they work. A lot of technicians are super excited about it because they're coming from another company that was all paper, and we really felt that ServiceTrade has helped us speed up the process as far as how much equipment they can see in a day. They're going through the tasks list, which we've made through ServiceTrade. That way, any type of tech can go and see this equipment and know what they're expected to check. It's the best way that we've showed our customers that you can dot the I's and cross the T's, and that way nothing is left in question. We are billing things out quicker. We are collecting our cash flow faster, and it's because we're getting things out hour by hour, day by day, instead of month by month. If you're looking for ways to, make your company more efficient and more valuable, it's to get the cash flow in a better way to go. And I think ServiceTrade has really helped us.